In this series, I'm going to explain how to turn this brand into a $10 million profit brand. It's a streetwear brand owned by a socialite in Nigeria, but this is exactly what I'll do to make this a global brand. I know this because I've built and sold two brands for $128 million, and I'm currently building a watch brand to the $100 million mark. So sit back and enjoy. Now, this is the founder of the brand, popularly known as Papaya X. She has a brand in the luxury streetwear and apparel, and it's an influencer-driven fashion brand in Africa right now. So let's dive into what Armoni Capel has done right. One, they've focused heavily on social proof in the African markets through influencer networks. The brand also has very, very good high-quality visuals, which makes it look premium, and it has generated some hype. They've also done a great job with user-generated content, which creates free brand awareness and credibility through UGC. But here is the missing piece. Before I proceed, I own a community where I show founders how to strategically structure their business to get to $5 to $50 million a year. So if you're interested in learning exactly how you could build your brand to the $5 million a year mark or scale to $50 million a year, then DM me the word private on Instagram, and I'll personally respond to see if you do qualify to be a private client of mine. Now, here's the missing piece. One, sustainability, right? The brand currently thrives on hype, and it is not built for long term, right? Because all they do right now is just create hype and hype and hype, but hype is not a lifeblood of business. You need it to be sustainable. And then it also needs to focus from shifting away from viral moments to also being able to generate consistent and repeatable revenue. And lastly, the brand needs to have a strategic vision instead of temporary excitement. Now, the founder of the brand is doing a great job, but it could be a lot better, and that's why I'm explaining in this video what they could do. Now, here are the critical issues. As I've studied the brand, one, they have no upsells. They are constantly missing out on repeat purchase strategies, which costs them a lot of money, because if customers buy from you once, that means your cost per acquisition will always be high, and you have no way to predictably bring in revenue and increase your customer lifetime value. And then two is too over-reliant on influencer campaigns, right? They have zero paid ads, which means they are losing money daily. If they did a retargeting campaign, even at bare minimum, and they're spending $100 a day, they'll be able to recoup some money that is left on the floor right now. And also, there is no sense of exclusivity when it comes to this brand. Like, there is no way you can say you're a premium brand. There's so much hype around your brand. It doesn't feel exclusive. It doesn't look exclusive, right? So there is no membership model to leverage status for ongoing revenue. Now, this is the exact strategy that I'll put in place for this brand to be a 10 million net profit brand. And the goal is within the next 24 to 36 months, we're aiming for $50 million in revenue generated, and at bare minimum a 20% profit margins. So now, what would I do? The first thing I'm gonna do is to fix the brand identity and story. Right now, there's no narrative around the brand, so we're going to create a narrative of winners wear Armoni Capel, the rest just watch. We want to trigger some feeling, we want to trigger some emotions in people when they wear the brand, and that's what we're going to do with this. And then two, create exclusivity in the form of numbered limited edition drops. Something that makes people go, oh yeah, you know, I have access to this, you don't, right? And that creates a sense of pride in customers who buy it, which now creates some form of status symbol, right? So people do not just see it as some clothing, they will now start seeing it as a success symbol, which will definitely bump up the value of the brand. The second fix that we're gonna put in place would be increase the website conversion, right? Right now, I feel like there are too much complications with the brand's website, but we want to reduce the complication and create fewer steps, and that would bump up the conversion rate. And also, it needs to be mobile optimized. Right now, I checked it out, it's not mobile optimized at all. If you're familiar with anything when it comes to e-commerce, there's 90% of the traffic comes on mobile. Everybody's literally on their phones, right? So if we can make this more mobile optimized, then of course they're going to make more money. Then create some sort of FOMO, right? Some sort of scarcity, some sort of social proof, some sort of urgency will generate more revenue for the brand. And lastly, we're going to have one-click upsells in place to bundle the value of the brand. And the third fix that I would put in place to make this a lot more would be create premium upsells, right? So that could come in form of collector editions, programming and personalization options, like give people more reasons for them to want to spend more money with you, right? And then bundle offers. We're going to sell power sets for $350 instead of separate $150 purchases. So now you're making people want to spend more money with you, because normally if they come and they just want to spend $150, but you give them a reason that, oh yeah, you could get 3 of this for $350. So now the person thinks, I'm saving $100. But it's not really, are they really saving $100 if they wouldn't spend that $100 before? They wouldn't even spend an extra $200 before because they wanted to buy something for $150. But now you're making them feel like, oh shit, I'm getting a steal, so let me buy. And they end up spending more money with you. And then tiered pricing, standard, premium, and exclusive. So the goal is to increase average order value from $100 to $250 globally. And that is the third fix. And now this is the fourth fix, right? We want to create some sort of customer retention systems. Email and SMS sequences, through abandoned cat recovery. Armoni Capel Lux Club. She already has like a large following on social, so she might as well capitalize on it by having monthly memberships with exclusive perks and early access, and then community building by hosting special events and private community for loyal customers. The goal is to get customers to buy 3 to 4 times per year instead of just once. If she does this properly, then definitely a brand is gonna make a lot of money. And the fifth fix would be multi-channel paid ads, right? So the goal is to stop depending on influencers only and maintain a 3x ROAS across Meta, TikTok, YouTube, and Google platforms. Is that way, even if one of the ways in which she's generating traffic was cut off, she'll still have multi-channel revenue coming in, and that is the goal. So for the global expansion, this is the plan. To get 35% of the revenue coming in from the USA, get just 10% of the revenue coming from Africa, which she has already done a good job with, then 20% extra revenue from Europe, and 15% revenue from the UAE. She already has a market share here in the UAE, and once that is properly utilized, she will be able to build a brand to the next level, which is now the hero product strategy. So for this to happen, she needs to have the ultimate power OD, like a signature product that defines the Armoni Capel brand entity. Like one thing, when they think Armoni Capel, they think of it. That's the goal, for that to be developed. And then limited edition drops. And finally, complementary accessories. So she sells stuff that could be complementary to what people are already buying from her. So yep, the final phase for her to build a 10 million profit brand would be she could partner with Phoenix Watches, potentially travel brand partnerships and celebrity collections. If she does this properly, this is something she could potentially make $10 million in profit within the next 24 to 36 months. Now, so as you can see, this is very, very in-depth, it's very, very high level. If you want me to do a breakdown of your brand or show you how you could get to $5 to $50 million a year with your brand, DM me private on Instagram. And make sure you check out this video where I explain how I helped a brand make £400,000 in 30 days. And subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.